Hello everyone, welcome to this video on common mistakes that Hindi speaking learners often make. Do you know that simple Hindi errors can change the meaning of sentences completely? For example, using wrong pronunciations or misusing idiomatic phrases can completely change the meanings. When we are not aware of our mistakes, it can be damaging to our relationship and professional interactions. In recent years, it has been noticed that even fluent Hindi speakers get caught up in common mistakes. By understanding these mistakes and with a little awareness and practice, we can improve our Hindi speaking skill. So let's get started and know what are these mistakes. One major mistake is direct translation from English to Hindi. Many Hindi learners tend to translate sentences word for word from English to Hindi. While this might seem like a straightforward way to speak, it often leads to incorrect Hindi sentences because the structure, grammar, and expressions in Hindi don't always align with those in English. In Hindi, the sentence structure is more flexible, whereas English has a more rigid structure. For example, English sentence I'm going to market is made from direct translation of Hindi sentence मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. But this English sentence is not correct. Correct sentence is I am going to the market. In Hindi, the use of articles is often omitted and verb forms can change depending upon the gender and number of the subject. But in English, proper article usage is required. By directly translating from Hindi to English or English to Hindi, learners might miss these crucial differences. Another mistake that learners make, neglecting pronunciations. In Hindi, pronunciation rules are relatively straightforward and every letter is pronounced exactly as it is written. Whereas in English, pronunciation can be tricky due to silent letters, irregular spellings, and stress patterns. Hindi learners often neglect these nuances, which can lead to miscommunication and misunderstanding. For example, the English letter V and W sounds are often confused by Hindi speakers. Hindi doesn't have a distinction between these two sounds. Next error, overuse of certain words. Many new learners tend to overuse certain words or phrases. In English, words like actually, very are often used repeatedly in conversation. These filter words can dilute your message. In Hindi, the words like wahi, वास्तव में, क्या, अच्छा, बिल्कुल, etc. are often overused as learners become familiar with certain expressions that feel more comfortable. For example, English sentence I actually went to the market and actually bought some vegetables is incorrect. Correct form is I went to the market, bought some vegetables, which means in Hindi मैं बाजार गई थी और कुछ सब्जियां खरीदी. मैं बाजार गई थी और कुछ सब्जियां खरीदी. So, Hindi learners should also focus on using a variety of vocabulary to express themselves more naturally instead of repeating the same words too often. Another mistake is forgetting listening practice. Hindi learners often focus on reading, writing, and speaking practice and neglect listening practice. Without exposure to native speakers and real world conversations, learners may struggle to understand spoken Hindi. When learners don't regularly listen to Hindi content like podcasts, TV shows, or news, they can miss out on understanding the rhythm, tone, and informal speech patterns of native Hindi. This can make them feel unprepared when they have to engage in real conversations. Next mistake the Hindi learners make, incorrect use of gender. Hindi is a language with grammatical gender. Every noun, whether animate or inanimate, it is categorized as either masculine, that is pulling in Hindi, and feminine, that is striling in Hindi. These categories are essential when different verb forms and adjectives are used. Learners may struggle to match adjectives or verbs with the correct gender. For instance, saying यह किताब अच्छा है is wrong because किताब is feminine and the adjective should be अच्छी, not अच्छा. The correct sentence would be यह किताब अच्छी है. यह किताब अच्छी है, which means this book is good. Next mistake is incorrect verb conjugation. Many learners make the mistake of not using correct form of verbs based on tenses, gender and number and may mix up these forms. For example, a learner might say मैं जा रहा हूँ, which is in present tense, may get confused with मैं गया था, which is in past tense. Similarly, the verb needs to match the subject in both gender and number also. For example, वह जाता है and वह जाती है, that is, he goes and she goes. In some tenses, auxiliary verb like है, हूँ, था, थे, etc. need to be used after the main verb, but Hindi learners might use them incorrectly. Another common mistake that learners make, using incorrect word order. This is an error that can cause confusion even if the vocabulary is correct. The basic word order in Hindi is subject, then object and then verb, which differs from the word order used in English. Learners often default to English sentence structure because they are more familiar with it. But this leads to grammatically incorrect sentence in Hindi. While the intended meaning might still be understood, the sentence will often sound unnatural. To overcome it, practice basic sentence structure. Start by focusing on the correct SOV order and try to translate simple English sentences into Hindi. Once you are comfortable with basic structure, start forming more complex sentences, keeping the SOV structure in mind. This gradual practice helps improve fluency and natural sounding speech. So friends, these are the common mistakes that many Hindi learners make. We should avoid and correct them by practice. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and share this video. If you are watching for the first time, then do subscribe for more videos. Until my next video comes, happy learning. धन्यवाद.